Hello and welcome to Wakakosha Language Consultancy, where we bridge the language gap. Today we want to discuss, or we want to put clear to some more verbs that we have in ndebele that we can use in our everyday lives. So listen. To sit, hlala, hlala. To be quiet, thula, thula. To laugh, hleka, hleka. To run, gijima, gijima. To cry, khala, khala. To pray, khuleka or thandaza. To cook, pheka, pheka. To dress, gqoka, gqoka. To knock, qoqoda, qoqoda. To see, bona, bona. To go, hamba, hamba.